I'm Shiny. I'm an alumni of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of St. Joseph's Institute of Technology, batch 2016. I'm currently working as an implementation expert in Nokia for the past 4 years. And I would like to tell about my testimony, how St. Joseph's had shaped my career path. So, I would like to start with a quote. Success is no accident, it is hard work, perseverance, learning, and studying. And most of all, it's the sacrifice that you do which shapes you into the person what you are right now. So, college played a very huge role in shaping my career. Uh, St. Joseph's has a lot of trainings. They have MOUs with the leading industries in the market today. So they train you according to the market standards, what we have right now, what is expected of us, what skills are needed for the industry. And their placement trainings had helped me a lot throughout my first, second, and third year, which helped me to face my interviews positively. And it is also known for the discipline. So I am what I am right now is because of the discipline that was taught to me in college. And thanks to our very experienced and educated staffs who are all PhD graduates, who have the latest knowledge on the subjects they have been taking so far, and you are in the right hands. You They are the leading people in whatever they are teaching you. You can safely say that even if you're going into research and development, you can always you can always get the right kind of materials from the department. And to actually face the outside world, to actually get an understanding of the outside world, keep, you know that you have to keep on trying. You need to understand what career you want to take. So uh, this was helped by our department, where they given so many implant trainings. So I for one, I was very interested into getting into electrical line. So Nokia was on campus selection for me, and I had prepared, especially in telecom domain, for getting into Nokia. I had studied a lot of books because getting into Nokia is not a easy job for a person who has very much of an electrical background and then going into telecom background. So I would advise people, if you're interested into a set of career path, then learn it. Learn it from your first year itself. Set your mind on it and try to get into it. And mm, so telecom was a very new experience, but I was very interested into it. I had studied a lot of books to get to crack the interview for Nokia. And also with In addition to that, in addition to the technical part of the interview, you need to crack the first apps. So apps was, of course, the training that was given to me by college was the most important one. It helped me to clear the first round of interviews in Nokia. Mm, and We have special placement trainings in third year, which also helps you to gear up for the placements in final year. And you also have for higher studies, you have the ABHS, which is an advisory board, which helps you to get secure a place in foreign universities where you want to do research and development or your masters. And uh, and also, I also attended implant trainings in BSNL, and also in Integral Coach Factory. So this also helped me to get an understanding of the industry, what they expect from you, what are the skills that are expected from you. So I would advise keep going for implant trainings throughout your college life so that you understand what is needed for you. So what you like, which path do you want to take. So work towards it from the first year itself. Don't give up. And we also had some MOUs from Google. I was part of Google Student Club from my department. It was very good. We had a lot of events, which was more into computer networking. And yes, that is very important because you will also need to know something in computer networking, coding. This is also being given by the department itself. We do have some trainings which are based on Python and all, which is very important for the industry right now. Uh, so yeah, so these are the things that you have to keep in mind. This is my testimony on behalf of as an alumni, the batch 2016. So my mm, some to be successful is to never give up, to keep learning new things. It doesn't stop till your college. You have to keep learning every day, to keep yourself updated to the latest trends in the market. So all the best. And yeah, so it's this is my testimony. Thank you.